that we got in here in the garden of this cucumber. Nang bilin ho really. Look, it's too big. And then there's another one in that side. Ready to be harvested. Okay. Another one coming, very tiny. This one and that one there. See? There are lots more, but still very small.
These are the second and third cucumbers we've gotten so far. We haven't gotten a lot of cucumbers, and part of the reason is we've been having problems with bugs, and precisely what kind of bugs they are is unclear, but there's some kind of small flying insect, and they attack the cucumbers when they're little bitty, little bitty cucumbers. Once they get a little size to them, the bugs seem to leave them alone. So once they get past a certain stage, the bugs do leave them alone. And what we're trying to do now is we're trying to spray them with soapy water, and we're hoping that that's going to keep those bugs away from the cucumbers. Now, this is obviously not enough to do a batch of pickles, so I'm going to have to do something a little bit different. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some watermelon rind, and I'm going to pickle these two here with that watermelon rind, because otherwise by the time I wait for more cucumbers, these will be too old to pickle. So, and these are not, this is the size here that I want. This one is bigger than I want. I want them about the same size as that smaller one there. I'd like to have about 30 or 40 of them that size. Unfortunately, I don't. So I put my Leatherman tool there to give some kind of a scale. That Leatherman tool it's about 4.5 inches long. So I want my cucumbers to be about 3.5 inches long in that vicinity. That bigger one is just too big, but I'm still gonna use it. Now here's my dill plants, and they're doing pretty well. They're doing very well, really. No problem at all growing this dill, which is good. Nothing seems to want to attack it, so that's very good news. And I also still have oregano, and I have the other one, insulin plant. So I have those two. The stevia finally died, and I hardly got to use any of it because I really wasn't sure if it was going to keep growing or not, and then it got to a fairly good size, and then it just didn't grow anymore and it died. So next time I'll know. but at least I have plenty of dill, and so I'll be making dill pickles. Here's another look at the cucumbers. Now, please thumbs up this video. It really helps this channel when people put a thumbs up, and comment and share the video if you want to.